It's about that time. It's about that time, yo.
Everybody needs some company.
So I'm getting my hair prepared for this good old wiggy. I'm doing Snapchat and this at the same time. So yeah, y'all about to see the real like detangling. Like this is detangling now, y'all. So I'm going back with I put some water in, so I'm going back with the Crazy Sexy Curl foam spray, and let's see if this really works. I think I'm gonna have to see how much. Hey, don't forget your curls, your curly. I say doll brush. My hair is definitely okay. Because let me tell y'all, my hair is definitely rough. They got kitchen and everything else. I'm gonna need my scissors too, y'all. I'm trying to do Snapchat, but it's like Snapchat, I don't know. I'm gonna do piece by piece. And I'm adding water to it. And I'm doing it like right now because after work I'm gonna have to wash it and blow dry it out because tomorrow I gotta go to the clinic. Not only gotta go to a clinic tomorrow for work, but I also have to go get my hair done soon after work, and I gotta see what time, because I get off at 4:30, which I'm gonna make it on time. Okay. Okay, y'all, this detangling is doing the freaking job. So y'all already seen me detangle my hair before and just did like the curls, but I'm gonna straighten my hair. So y'all gonna see that with this maintenance vlog. Y'all gonna see me straighten out my hair, and I'm gonna straighten this hair. My hair is really dirty. So I'm gonna be using Beyonce again, Sacred, for wash my hair. Then I'm gonna use the tea gel again and all that. I'm gonna use the tea gel again and stuff, and do the deep conditioner, and then I'm gonna straighten out my hair so she could braid my hair tomorrow and do my wig. Y'all, I'm so excited to do my hair, to get my wig. It's like officially fall. My birthday is September 30th. It's officially fall, y'all. It maybe don't feel like it, but it is. So yeah. Okay, I'm doing this and doing other things at the same time. Multitasking. And I'm trying to do I'm trying to do Snapchat. I'm getting back on my Snapchat, y'all. Go ahead and follow me on my Snapchat at Taja Babes Inc. Don't forget Taja Babes Inc. All my platforms are like Taja Babes. Alright, I'll be back when my whole head is finished, and then I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of washing. But if y'all want to see like me all the way detangling my hair, because I'm not gonna show too much, because I have two videos. I have two videos for my wash and my detangling. So what y'all doing? What y'all doing? Because I already have that planned for y'all. So that video is already up. If you want to see my detangling, my washing. But this is different because this is my maintenance. So I'm just going to show y'all my hair straightening and how I straighten my hair. And that's it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Taja Babes. And this is my video, y'all. So your girl is getting ready to get this good old hair done tomorrow, y'all, for my birthday weekend. My birthday is Tuesday, September 30th. But you know, I get a birthday weekend because I'm going out to dinner and my birthday is on a weekday. So I'm gonna actually do it up this weekend. So yeah, y'all. So what I'm gonna do now, I just washed my hair with Design Essential, and I did a deep cleanser conditioner with Sacred. And if you want to see my wash day and me using Sacred reviewer and XYZ, then go to these videos that I did previously. Y'all know me, y'all know I got y'all together, but I'm just showing y'all my process with 4C hair right now of getting it straight. So first thing you need is clamps. Second thing you need is a towel, comb, and of course, where is it? Weed brush. So previously, if y'all seen like my maintenance vlog, you saw me like combing my hair out, like detangling it. So this time I am like washing my hair. Well, this is my hair wash, so right now I probably got to continue detangling it. It just depends on, I only got a little bit of left. I need to make a reminder to get more of this. But I'm really trying not to make my hair like soapy though, because I don't want to curl my hair, y'all. I need my hair to be straightened. So what I'm going to do is just continue using water and using this water right here and just combing my hair out. So okay, so this is how I am the process of straightening my 4C hair. Now I already had I'm just separating my knots, y'all. because like when I wash my hair, it still get like a little bit of matted, but not too much. That's why I did that pre-wash, like combing it and detangling it with this first. And I'm just taking, and it's easier for me to take out the knots. So what I do, I grab a little piece, make sure it's all detangled out a little bit, and I use this. I got this from Amazon, Hot Beauty, and they have a comb right here so I could comb lather it so I don't have to, because usually what I did was before I used this brush and a regular one and just like did it like that. So now this is a little bit easier. So I'm gonna put it on low for right now. Let me show y'all. I need to put it on high. Okay, y'all. Malfunction. Malfunction.
You just started. Me and my bitch go naughty. Give a fuck about this party. We gon' step on shit regardless. Get my coin and swipe that bitch, and now the spirit to charge. Making moves, being on.
So y'all, I still gotta do this little part, but okay. You see like the little knots are coming out.
You just started. Me and my bitch go naughty. Give a fuck about this party. We gon' step on shit regardless. Get my hands, swipe that bitch, and now the street charge. Making moves, being on bitches. I be really much. I got
Okay, so I'm finally finished. It took me 2 hours. 2 hours to finish this, y'all. This is my hair blown out the best I can. And I might miss some things. And I might miss something, but I feel like my hairdresser could fix that because I'm so tender-headed. Comment down below if y'all tender-headed like me, because I'm just so freaking tender-headed. It's not even funny. I'm still seeing little knots. I'm telling y'all right now, if y'all have natural hair, always wash your hair, of course, and always comb out your hair. Always comb it so you don't have so much knots, little knots. But yeah, y'all, I started at maybe like 7:40. It's now 9:22, and I gotta get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, which is not bad, to get dressed to go to work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in a bun for tomorrow, because my hair is still like tender. And yeah, so this is my hair all blown out. I know I look crazy. I know I look crazy. Do my thumbnail. Okay. Alright, y'all. So that's my video. If you like it, go ahead and subscribe. Like this video. If you have any questions of what I use, it's gonna be down below, what brand of hairdryer this is. I'm about to go to bed. Thank y'all so much for watching. Love y'all. Bye.
Me have Campari Patron.